Thank you, Your Worship, Mayor of Liverpool and members of your council, distinguished guests, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Bulumanaka, and a very good evening to you all. I'm delighted to be here in the Greater West, in the vibrant and cosmopolitan city of Liverpool, one of the most dynamic areas in the country and truly the heartland of the Fijian diaspora in Australia. I am deeply honored by the welcome you have given me as the elected representative of the Fijian people. Thank you, Mr. Mayor, for your hospitality and for your own support for the Fijian community in Sydney. As you may be aware, the last census in Australia in 2011 revealed a total of 58,000 Fijians in Australia. And that number is bound to be much greater 4 years on. By far, the bulk of these live in Sydney, and their epicenter is 42 suburbs that make up the greater Liverpool area, along with the rest of the Western Sydney. On behalf of the Fijian government and the Fijian people, I want to extend my thanks to you, Mr. Mayor, and all the elected representatives of the Western Sydney region for your efforts. On behalf of every Fijian, it is deeply appreciated. Thank you very much. As I said earlier today, whatever differences our governments might have had over the years, the relationship between the Fijian and Australian people has been unshakable. We are the best of friends and always will be. And it is an immense privilege for me to be here in Sydney to help celebrate those bonds of friendship. Tomorrow, as a community, we will be gathering at the home of the Bulldogs here in Liverpool for a great celebration to mark Fiji Day, the 45th anniversary of our independence. We will be coming together as one nation to celebrate the ties that bind us together as Fijians. And I'm immensely pleased that you, Mr. Mayor, and other representatives of the wider community will be there to join us. I will be speaking in detail at the function tomorrow, not only about what it means to be Fijian in our new democracy, but also the strength of our relationship with Australia. So I will confine my comments this evening to expressing my thanks once again for the honor of the reception you have given me and my officials. I look forward to discussing with you ways in which we can strengthen the relationship between Liverpool and Fiji, to capitalize on our people-to-people ties and bring us closer together. This may well involve some sort of twining arrangement between Liverpool and our capital, Suva. And I look forward to canvassing this possibility and others with the Mayor and the rest of the Council. It's wonderful to be here on the eve of our great national celebration, and no doubt you will see me again tomorrow and in the next coming years, Mr. Mayor. It's certainly nice to be here in Liverpool tonight than it is in Fiji, where we are on alert for tropical depression and where the temperatures have been decided cool of late. But I'm also struck very much by the warmth of the reception you have provided for me and my delegation, and for that we are most grateful. As we say in Fiji, thank you, and I look forward to meeting as many of you as possible throughout the evening. Thank you very much, Mr. Mayor.